welcome back to Advanced Maths. Today we're looking at radians and sectors. We're going to be learning how to work out the arc length and sector area using radians. So what is a sector? A sector is like a pizza slice, a bit like this, or this, or this. Technically, it's a part of a circle enclosed by two radii and an arc, like this. Okay? When we talk about sectors, we need to know the arc length. It has the symbol L. The radius has the symbol R. The angle of the arc, the sector or the arc, is theta. And the area is capital A, like this. And there are two formulas you need to know. L equals R theta, and A equals half R squared theta. This is the equation for the arc length, this is the equation for the area. And this only works if you're using radians. Don't try using these with degrees, it will not work. It only works for radians, and that's the beauty of radians, because they make really simple equations like this. Let's see an example. A sector has an area of 3/2 pi centimeters squared and a radius of 3 centimeters. What is its perimeter? So we know already the radius is 3, the area is 3/2 pi centimeters squared. We want to find the angle, that's going to be helpful, and we want to find the arc length, because that's going to really help find the perimeter. And so we'll start with the information we know, and we know the area, we know the formula for area, and we know the value of the area. So we take that over, and we replace the A with 3/2 pi, and the radius with 3. And we arrive at this here. Now we can simplify this equation by multiplying both sides by 2, and that will get rid of the divide by 2. So when you've got half on both sides, when both sides are being halved, you can multiply by 2, because that's the opposite of that. The 3 squared becomes 9, and we get 3 pi equals 9 theta. Divide by 9, and we get pi over 3 is theta. And we can write that back up here as the angle. We now know the angle, so we've used the area to work out the angle. Now, we can put this into the formula for arc length. L equals R theta. R is 3 centimeters, and theta is pi over 3. Here we are, and we can cancel out the 3 and the 3, and we get L is pi centimeters. The arc length is pi centimeters. Now, we've got a sector here, and we want to find the perimeter. The perimeter looks like this, where it's the arc length of the curved part, and it's the two radii added together. So the perimeter of a sector is given by L plus 2R. L is pi, R is 3, and we get pi plus 6 centimeters. And that's the final answer. There's no need to make it into a decimal. We can leave the answer like that, because actually it's more mathematically accurate to leave it as pi plus 6. A decimal would have to be rounded. Okay? Pause the video now if you don't quite understand all the steps. You might want to rewind and watch it again. But if you're ready, I have some practice questions for you to watch here, to try here. And you have to find the area, the arc length, and the perimeter of these two shapes here, these two sectors. I've given you the angle and the radius of them both. Good luck with this. Pause the video and see if you can get the right answer. I will reveal the correct answer in 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this week's video from Advanced Maths. We have new videos every week from GCSE, A-Level and IB Maths. Like and subscribe for more videos. and good luck in your exams.